I'm discuss very important topic. Any YouTube channel based on uploading videos. So how to increase by the earnings and how to check the earnings on Google AdSense. So any YouTube channel earnings will be based on by your uploading video. Less than 10 minutes, more than 10 minutes. Less than 10 minutes videos will capture only for one video. Less than 10 minutes. More than 10 minutes video, we can pair the manual ads. So this all earning how to check with the Google AdSense. You have two options. YouTube earning will be checked by one is the Google AdSense, second will be your YouTube channel. So first of all, open your video manager. Any channel name you can check by video manager, or else I can check the particular video earnings. Particular video earnings. You can check both options. With Google AdSense, you can check the total YouTube earning. With YouTube, we'll check the particular video earnings also. So open for Create Studio. They open for the latest version. I can go for older version. Select it. Any report for YouTube for earnings always delay for 48 hours. Always delay for 48 hours. So in this one, the report will delay for 48 hours. Where you can check the report. Go to Analytics. So today date will be 29th. The report will generate by exactly 48 hours below date. So here, when? First to 26th of April. So delay by how many days? 2 days. Means nothing but 48 hours. The report will be delayed. So we can check everything. Total earnings. The lifetime earnings is a check by monthly earnings also. You can select by custom date also. Select by here. Custom date you can select by here. So right now I'm selecting for lifetime. When people reach for 4,000 hours, 1,000 subscribers, the earning will be possible. You can check this one. So compare with the year. This will be our minutes. 9 lakhs, 32,000, 243 minutes will be our watch video. So minimum required for 2 lakhs 40,000. So reaching for 2 lakhs above views. So the video will be earning the successfully. And your subscribers, watch minutes, and your estimated revenue. Estimated revenue will check by any kind of things. Most of the people check by US dollars, any currency, what is available by here, this market. So I'm checking for US dollar also. Click for save. Here, $57. This will be currency for total lifetime earnings. So this will be using, and you can check by each every video. Earnings will be in below options. This will be total views will be given by the particular video option. Or else I can select by recent video earnings. There will be list below showing for latest upcoming video earning. We'll check by simple option. That is called, after opening this one, you can click for in this option. Will total check by your analytics by particular videos. How much likes, how much dislikes, how much your earnings. Everything will show by the particular option. 3 minutes, 50 minutes are average duration. Estimated revenue will be 0 and 4 views. The report will generate by the date by 48 hours. So that is called not generating a proper report. Now click for overview. This is all particular one video. We check the any video particular earnings. Any video we check the particular earnings. So we'll go for few days back videos. Select it. So estimate revenue, 3 views, 2 minutes and 0.44 minutes. So this video will be 0 earnings. People are watching for this showing like that, but view will be important. This will be very important by the particular video earnings. So each and every video earning we can check by using option called YouTube channel. Total channel link we check by Google AdSense. So how much you are earning by Google AdSense? The total particular YouTube channel earnings they give by 1 month report will be delayed. When month will be finished, report will be given. So how to check? So we'll got by $54. We'll check by below option. These are our reports. Last 7 days, nobody can give the latest report. After month will be done, they show the report. How to check? View payment. And here is the monthly amount. When reaching for $100, the amount will be created on your account every month, 21st to 21st. 21st will be process amount, 25th before the amount will be created on your account. This is the process of check the YouTube earnings on Google AdSense. Will withdraw by using option called $100 of amount. So any amount will be withdraw for YouTube earnings. The possible by Google AdSense when reaching for $100.